before we get started that I'd like to say to you guys that are following this build. Mainly just a thank you. Thank you for the messages, thank you for the support, thank you for watching, subscribing obviously. It's been a real confidence boost and it's sort of kept me going in terms of trying to move this build along. So thank you for that. The second thing is, I apologise for today's video. I think the audio will be okay, but just in case, I am filming the whole of today just on my GoPro. My normal camera, the charger's died, so we've just got the GoPro. Hopefully it'll be alright, but let's just get into it. We're almost at the garage and we'll see what today brings. Well, that was a flop. Now you're probably wondering why I'm stood here in a Christmas jumper and why we're not in the garage. And simple reason. Everything you've seen there was filmed about a week ago and we were just about to roll the Mini into the garage, and then the whole electric for the whole building block shut off. So I stayed there until around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The electrician was there for hours and couldn't find the fault. We couldn't get the shutter up. And even if we could, we couldn't use anything inside. So it was back to the drawing board. And it's not the first time that something has stopped me from working on this car whilst it's been at the garage. As you're fully aware, there's been obviously no updates for a while now, but they are coming, so bear with me. The reason for the Christmas jumper is it's Christmas jumper week in work. So I've come as a little Christmas elf. Back to the Mini, because you're not asked about the jumper. Sideways have very kindly offered to open over Christmas shutdown, which will allow me to go and finish the Mini. We'll be shut down as well and work, so it's an ideal time to get over, work on it, finish it hopefully in the 2-week shutdown. Obviously they're going to come in and help me, which is going to be massive. So updates are coming. Thank you again for bearing with me on this. It's been an absolute nightmare, as you can imagine. I'm one of the fortunate ones in terms of work. It's been fairly busy and fluent for me, so I've kind of put all the projects, the Mini, the Land Cruiser, everything to one side for the last couple of months and just concentrated on work. I realised that some of you guys want an update on the Mini, and it's coming. The new year will bring obviously some exciting updates with it, and hopefully we'll get it out on track and actually make use of it. So until then, I shall probably see you before Christmas with an update with the Mini, and we may even get it moving or at least into the garage and started before Christmas. So until then, keep safe and I shall speak to you soon. Catch you in a bit.